got to the meat, bro. And boy, 12 sitting all through that bitch. Whoever bro was, he for sure took them on a chase. I just heard the police. Oh, the police right there too. God dang, those niggas is like deep in the city tonight. I'm finna order right here. Let me get a guy. We got down to that car. It just ain't supposed to sound like that. Y'all know the young niggas find a way to get in McDonald's, boy. I ain't gonna lie. What you finna get me, my boy? That boy finna get me a goddamn. I want a Big Mac, large fry. What that was? Big Mac, large fry, 20-piece chicken nugget.
Give me the key for the lobby so I close the lobby.
I just playing, bro. Yeah.
Give me the key so I can lock the lobby.
Huh? You heard what bro had said? They manager. That nigga said, he said whoever that is out there, I hope they mama die choking on dick. Somebody got a rocket launcher in his office. Hey, that ZL1 hard though. Damn. That dog pulling up, man. That boy just be spawning. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, he just got that bit. That bit the perfect color and everything too. Show me some. Show me some. Show me some. Show me some. Weak ass Scat, man. Weak ass Scat, man. Weak ass Scat, man. That boy closer to pull up out that bit, man. They did coaster junk in one day. Yeah. They took all day to do it though. You
can turn the camera quick.
Thought that was a Hellcat. That boy in the Audi.
No, that's cold.
What?
Like,
oh yeah, that is hard.
No, it's not just. It doesn't just do like
you could
like the side like thing.
Yeah, I was gonna do my lights like this, but he just told me his car was going for a week. I'm not leaving my junk for a week. That's dead.
You know you're trying to.
really deep out there bit tonight, man. We got everybody out here, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But they like the 5th location of the night, boy. Hey, folks outside tonight, but they not playing. But y'all scary! You gonna hit me? Y'all scary! Hey, he thought that bit was over with. You lucky I ain't get that on cam, bro.
Play too much, bro.
Oh, shoot. I'm trying to see something with an engine, bro. That nigga traction ain't even
Control all facts, bro.
Man, that bitch stink. Come on, bro. He should've did that bit right here. Bro, he wanna do that bit all the way over there.
Hit that ball right here.
Yeah, nah, one of them niggas finna get hit. I thought he finna crash. Bro, you see them cars right there, nigga? I thought that bit was over with. Oh, he finna slide that bit. That nigga turn aim assist on.
Stop letting out the gas.
That nigga scared.
He need to stop.
Oh shit! Hey, somebody finna get hit. 12 over that bitch, they gone.